Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can multiply days in 99 Nights in the Forest. So the first way to multiply days is by saving the children that has been kidnapped. Well, missing actually. I don't know why I said kidnapped, but you'll need to find the missing kid. So let's do the first one, which is Dino Kid. Okay, it's that way. Oh my gosh, I don't have a map yet, so I can't find it. But you're just going to save a missing kid. They're usually in caves. If you kind of go near one, it will show up in the map. Just be careful because there will be wolves around, sometimes bears, sometimes alpha wolves. You only need to, I say only, you need to save 4 missing children. Basically that. And then if you go to the crafting table, if you buy and build beds from the crafting bench, the day counter can be increased to a maximum of 9 days covered per night. So the max is like 9 times multiplier. So you're just going to want to basically craft beds here. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I can't really show you guys because it's very hard to kind of grind on my own, and my friends usually play at night with me. So yeah, the longest I've reached is I think 300 days. I got really sleepy, so maybe this weekend I will try and I will attempt to play 1000 days, which is insane, but I think it's possible. So yeah, that is pretty much it really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Oops.